What is going on, guys? It's your boy Reloaded here, bringing you a brand new vlog, and not really a vlog. It's going to be part of the truck build. All right, this is one of the first parts of the truck build with my truck, the Chevy C1500, 1994. And first, instead of we're not just going to straight build it, like put some cool stuff on it right away. We're just going to replace the stuff that is breaking off the truck, like the dashboard pieces underneath the steering column and the fuse box cover. They've been broken for a while, and I've been taping it, trying to drill holes in it to try to I guess you'd say remake holes to try to get it to fit. And also recently we've done duct tape, taken it off and just covered it up with duct tape because the old one fell apart on us. So, and also just to get out of the way, you can probably see all this dry skin. If you don't, yeah, you can definitely see it, dry skin. That's just me with the chemo exiting my body after a treatment went over with, and this has been happening ever since. Chemo, after I was done with chemo on the cancer treatment. So that's what that's about. I've been putting lotion on it and everything like that, but we're gonna go downstairs and we'll show you what I have, and then we're gonna throw the truck together. Hopefully we can do that. So I ordered a piece from LMC truck. This is the steering column filler. You'll see it more when we take it out. And then we got the fuse box as well. So we're gonna go ahead and go out, and I'm gonna grab some tools while we go out, and gonna take off the duct tape and then throw this one on. Don't need to be really tight. Doesn't need to be really tight screwed in. So we'll see what goes on, really. Okay. Okay, now y'all can see where I got that duct tape, right? This whole part fell off, and we even got the steering column filler over there to the left, right next to the brake release, taped up there too, because that broke off. One of the whole clips that holds it in broke off. So I'm gonna go around the other side, and we're gonna start getting this put together. Grab out a screwdriver. And we'll wipe it down before with like some alcohol or something. Now I'll show you what the old one looks like. The old truck part, the old part for the truck. So this was broke off on the fuse box. Supposed to have, I don't know if I'm in frame or not, but here's one clip. It's supposed to have two, and it broke off over here. So that's broke off. There's screws over here, underneath here, I believe. Nope, they're gone. And screws are gone too. Yeah, the screws are gone. So I gotta go find some screws. I thought I left the screws in there. So here's the new piece. right here. So we are going to try to see here. Like that. That's what it's supposed to look like. And then it fits right there. So I'm gonna go try to find some screws real quick. This right here bam, that's easy, right? That's an easy pop in right there. Just like that. For the fuse box, that's easy. So I'm gonna pause the video until I come back, so you don't have to just sit here staring at it. Well, he didn't have the screws, and the screws that had it before had washers on the back of the screws, but they found these screws, and they're big enough that fits the hole. They fit the hole of the connecting and underneath the dash, and they fit perfectly here. Look like wall screws, but they fit perfect. Sometimes you gotta improvise. And sometimes improvising helps. So we're gonna load these screws up right here. Like that. And we're gonna connect it. Like that. It's really a two-person job. Oh, there goes one. Where my screwdriver? Right there. This is a very hard truck to work with because it's a very small cab. Snug that one. Snug that one. Bam! Just like that. We got a brand new dashboard. No more holes now. All we gotta do is get some alcohol, wipe these residue down, duct tape residue, and it'll be looking clean again. I bet y'all can totally see the difference between the regular dash color and the new dash color. They're the same color, it's just this color is old, faded. And this is like 24-year-old, and that's like a couple day old. So yeah, we got some new dash parts. Actually snug up in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna go find some alcohol wipes or some shit like that, and we will totally wipe that residue down. Alright, I'm back. I got some universal remover, and we are going to see if we can get this. It should nice and moist. That's what she said. Going off from up there. Came off there. And bam. Dunzo. That's pretty much it, guys. Look how dirty that is. Just that little spot. That's how dirty the old dash is. But that's pretty much it. Put it all on, and it's nice and snug. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This part's probably going to get cut off because the editing software I usually use, it cuts off a certain amount of the video. I do not know why, but because when I use the editing software to do that mud bogging event, it was like a 32-minute video of clips, and the editing software took away like 10 minutes or 15 minutes of it, so cut the whole video in half. So I'll probably just edit it on my laptop, to be honest, so nothing will be missing of the video. But if you guys enjoyed, this is just the first of many. The next thing is going to be some tires. Alright, we're going to get some all-terrains, some BF Goodrich's KO2s, and that's where we're going next. So, if anything else breaks, then that'll go before it. But I hope you guys enjoyed that quick rebuild. It's not really a build yet, it's a rebuild. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you want, if you like these videos, and leave a comment if you want to see more build videos with this truck. So I really watch a lot of these other people on YouTube who likes building cars and souping them up and shit, making them look cool. I want to jump in that category as well. So I still want to do gaming, but over all that, check the description for my social medias, and leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.